Hey there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can factory reset, also known as a hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe. Alright, with that said, let's jump right into it. Alright, so I'm going to show you two ways that you can factory reset, also known as a hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy S25. First, I'll show you how to do it through the settings, and then also show you how to do it so that in the event that you have a password and you forgot it, and it's locked and you can't get into it, by doing the hard reset with the buttons, you'll be able to factory reset the phone completely back to its factory condition so that you can start using your phone normally again. Alright, so first I'm going to show you how to do it through the settings. So go ahead and find your settings. Here in your settings, you're going to scroll down to Management. General Management right here. Go ahead and select it. Here in General Management, scroll down, and somewhere towards the middle you will see this reset option. Okay, go ahead and select it. And then, so here what we're going to do is we're going to select the option all the way at the bottom, Factory Data Reset. Okay, go ahead and select it. Here it's going to let you know that everything will be erased. So do back up anything that you do want to keep before you do this, because everything will be erased back to factory condition. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit reset. Okay, it's going to ask you to confirm your password if you have one. And then once you do, hit done, and then the reset process will begin. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the second method to factory reset it. Alright, so let's say that you're locked out of your phone and you can't get into it. So how we're going to do this is we're going to press volume down and the power lock button at the same time until the phone turns off completely. Once it does, we can let go. We're going to wait a few seconds, and then we're going to press volume up and the power lock button to get into Android recovery mode. Alright, so let's go ahead and do it now. So volume down and power lock button at the same time. Continue to hold them until the phone shuts off. Okay, gonna wait a few seconds. Okay, and then now we're gonna press volume up, and then we're gonna press and hold the power lock button along with it. All right, so volume up, and then press and hold power lock button, and continue to hold them until the Android recovery menu appears. Once you see this, you can let go. And as you can see, we are in Android recovery. Alright, so here we're going to scroll down with the volume down button here to where it says Wipe Data Factory Reset, which is right here. Okay, once you're on there, go ahead and confirm by hitting the power lock button. And then here, scroll down once again to Factory Data Reset and confirm with the power lock button once again. Okay, wait till it says Data Wipe Complete down here. There you go. And then now you can just go ahead and press the power lock button to reboot the system now. It's going to reboot the phone, and the phone's going to turn on at the original setup of the device, like when you first got it brand new. And there we go. As you can see, it says welcome. It's at the initial setup here of the device. Now all you got to do is go through all of the setup steps here to get your phone set up once again. Alright everyone, so that is two ways to factory reset, also known as a hard reset, your Samsung Galaxy S25. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know if it did. Alright everyone, that's all for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. As always, peace.